Hey everyone, this is Alex from Synology. The rising threat of malware and ransomware has made backing up your data more important than ever. Before we begin, here are a number of easy steps you can take to stop malware and ransomware attacks. First, regularly update your operating system to ensure your computer is fitted with the latest security features. Second, install antivirus software to help detect and fight off malicious attacks. Third, avoid opening suspicious files from unknown sources. Finally, disable remote access when it's not required, as malware often targets computers that use remote desktop protocols. Creating backups of your work at different locations means you can still access and restore important data in the event of an attack on a single device. Using Synology's Disk Station Manager, you can back up data from your computer to your NAS, as well as from your NAS to your external device, another Synology NAS, or a public cloud service. Cloud Station Backup lets you create scheduled backups from your computer to your Synology NAS. All modifications will be backed up in real time, so long as your computer is connected to the internet. You can keep up to 32 historical versions of each file. Cloud Station Backup's IntelliVersioning feature retains backup versions that contain the most significant changes, instead of removing them in a purely chronological order. Using Hyper Backup, you can back up files and folders on your NAS to other locations to enhance data security. Hyper Backup also allows you to back up system application configurations, as well as schedule backup tasks run automatically at a specific time, or repeat according to a schedule. Hyper Backup uses cross-version deduplication, which means repeated data across multiple versions will be backed up only once, reducing storage consumption and bandwidth use. Snapshot Replication allows for the creation of almost instant, point-in-time backups on Synology NAS models that support the B-tree file system. By only making a physical copy when modifications are found in a file or folder, Snapshot Replication also consumes less space and system resources than traditional backup methods. Now let's take a closer look at how to use Snapshot Replication. First, download and install Snapshot Replication from the Package Center if you have not already done so. To take a snapshot of a file or folder, click on Snapshot in the left-hand menu before selecting the shared folder or a SCSI LUN you wish to take a snapshot of. Click on Snapshot and select Take a Snapshot from the drop-down menu. Click on the Settings tab to alter the frequency, timing, and retention settings of snapshots. If you want to let other users browse snapshots within the shared folder, go to the Advanced tab and check Make Snapshot Visible. In the event of data loss, you can use Snapshot Replication to restore backed up versions of your files. Click on Recovery, select on the folder you wish to restore and click Recover. Click on Action and choose either to restore in place or create a clone under a new name. You can also recover your data from your local computer through various file service protocols, including SMB, FTP, AFP, and WebDAV. In this example, the shared folder Project A has been mounted in Windows File Explorer. To restore the entire shared folder to a previous point in time, open the folder and right-click and select Properties. Click Previous Versions, and choose the desired version before clicking Restore. You can also recover a single file without restoring the entire folder. If you had made snapshots visible, within the shared folder you will see a subfolder called Snapshot. Here you can browse all the previous versions of each file and folder, and can copy any of them to any location on your computer for immediate use. For more tips on getting the most out of your Synology NAS, subscribe to our YouTube channel via the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.